Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset Bluetooth setting. Means guys you have guys your Bluetooth network problem, so friend how to fix Bluetooth setting and how to reset Bluetooth setting on Poco phone device. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to reset and how to fix Bluetooth setting on Poco phone device. Friends, first we will on phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on guys your Bluetooth setting. So friends, you can see my Bluetooth is on. So first friends, I will off it, and after guys, now we will reset and fix. Friends, how to fix? Friends, you can see connection setting. Friends, tap here, and friends, you can check here guys your reset option. So friends, tap here. Friends, you can see Bluetooth setting. Friends, we will tap here to reset. So friends, you can see you have your phone pattern lock, and guess you have any password and pin. So when you will have to enter your phone password and pin. So when I have pattern lock, so I will draw my pattern. So friends, draw your pattern, which pattern you are using friends. So when I will draw pattern, friends, you can see OK option here, reset option. Friends, tap here to reset. Guys, your Bluetooth setting will reset after 7 and 8 seconds. Setting has been reset, and friends, now you can use your Bluetooth setting on your Poco phone device. Friends, now we can connect Bluetooth device. After refresh, friends, I will pair my this Bluetooth speaker. Friends, you can see speaker will pair easily. And friends, now I can use my Bluetooth setting. Friends, you can check your device name, and you can use. Friends, you can see your Bluetooth block list. Friends, you have blocked any device, so you can unblock from here guys. So guys, now I will off my Bluetooth. So like that we can fix and we can reset Bluetooth setting on Poco phone device. So bye guys, we will meet on next video. Thanks for watching the video guys.